Hello and welcome. I'm glad you make so far. So now in the special offer, this is for those marketers who want to see over the shoulder or like would say screen recording videos for successful outsourcing video course. So what will you find inside this video course? First, I'm gonna show you the system itself so you understand the system, outsourcing system that will help you to save time. I will show you how to set up this system before you actually go out and post your job post so everything is set up the correct way. I'll show you how to set up autoresponder for your first two tasks, then setting up autoresponder for third task and for tasks complete. After that, I'm gonna show you how to write a job post so you get the maximum attraction. My conversion rate was 40%, so you can achieve similar results. Then I'll show you where to post your job post so you get exposed to outsourcers who actually want to work for you. Then I'm gonna show you how to track and analyze every job application so you see who is the most successful candidate. Then how to invite successful candidate for a Skype interview, interviewing process, then sending hiring email to the most successful candidates, and then tracking work progress and making payments. So that's all inside this video course. You can get access for the next 48 hours or so, depends when you land on this page, for a minimum price of $15, and price will go up after that with every sale. So satisfaction is guaranteed, as I have to mention, and you can take action whenever you are ready. There is 30-day money back guarantee, so if you like what you see you inside.